Friends, I have got a brand new keyboard. It is the Nova and it's from Redragon. It's time to test it, so let's get cracking. Alright, so we have got a wired 60% RGB hot swappable gasket mounted mechanical keyboard. RGB lighting, of course, from Redragon. As we flip it over, just mentioning they are gasket mounted, hot swappable, 3 layers of padding to mask the noise and better sound. This was part of my idea with creating YouTube videos. And of course, the RGB backlights are programmable. Let's slice in. And check out the keyboard right now. I'm going to say, holy cow, there is a lot of heft to this keyboard. Checking the back, we can adjust the height. Inside the box, of course, ready for battle, and several cool logos. A quick manual. And lastly, replacement switches. A key puller, and the connection cable. Love that it's got a cable tie. We'll unzip that now for installation. Let's get this plugged into the back. With that connected, let's connect it to the PC. All right, everybody, so here we are replacing the Cyber Power. I'll unplug that in a minute. I just wanted to plug this one in to the hub. Let it connect and light up. Of course, it is a smaller keyboard, does not have the numbers on it. But I like these mechanical keys. And let's check out the manual for how to adjust those colors. Alright, so I scanned the manual. Let's take a quick peek at this. First things, connect, of course, with USB-C port. We've already done that. Feature one, of course, is the built-in backlight patterns that we can change by using the function and the right alt. We can cycle that switch to check them out. You can flat out turn it off by doing function and spacebar. Notice there is an icon to make that more clear for us. We can also adjust the speed by doing function and the left and right arrow. There is an icon here to let us see the speed as well. We can also adjust the brightness with function and the up and down arrows. You can also pick the color that you want by doing function and right control. Notice it's got the little C there to help us remember that that one is for the colors. Finally, you can adjust them on your own by doing function and backspace. Once you're in, you can use the escape ASWDs and the arrow keys. The lights are on by default, and then you can do function backspace again to start recording. The 3 LED indicators will be flashing till the recording is completed. Continually press the key to select the color you want to set. Once the settings are completed, do function backspace to save. Finally, there is a lock command. You can use function and Win key to lock it. Of course, you can repeat that to unlock your keyboard. All right, so let's test a couple of these. Bingo, we've got them off. Notice it's real easy to spot that is the on-off button. If we do function alt, you can test the different settings. Remember, there are 20 of these awesome settings you can fiddle with. I'm going to do function and let's make it more bright, and function and less bright. It's pretty easy to get it shut off. We can also adjust the speed to find the exact combination that we like the most. How cool is that? Friends, as I wrap up, I'm absolutely loving the keyboard. Of course, if you want to learn more, there will be links in the description. Friends, I do want to give a quick shout out to my supporters on Patreon. Don't forget there is a free membership option, and if you check down below, there is a link in the description, and it does have a sweet discussion group where I'm actually going to post about this keyboard. Finally, friends, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget, every time you hit that like button, share a video, add a comment, or hit subscribe, you're helping HLModTech get just a little bit bigger sticker, which absolutely makes my day. Friends, have a glorious day and keep tinkering.